Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you how I saved my fern from dying. As you can see, it is already so dry. All the branches have almost dried out, and I was just left with such few branches that had such green leaves. You can also see here there's another pot. Here also it is all dry. So a quick tip here is I just repotted my fern in only coco pit, as coco pit germinates really well and fast. So what happened after almost 15 days is this. You can see here, you can see these leaves. Initially, when I saw these leaves, I thought that these leaves are going to be the branches, these branches. But no, I was wrong, and I googled something about how the leaves look, how the sapling looks, and finally I did not give up on this one, and I kept watering it. Since the coco pit is very porous and airy, I kept watering it, I kept it moist, and here is the result. I got this lovely thing. That's the baby fern. Now hopefully I am going to get more of such, and this is what my quick tip was, that you can just transfer your whole dead plant with just a few of such green leaves and pot it in coco pit, and inshallah even you'll see such little ferns coming out of your pot. Okay, bye, see you next time.